In front of me is Oppo Find X3 Lite, and let me show you how to add and remove Google account. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select users and accounts, and here you've got the current one. So to remove your account, you need to tap on it, then select more, and delete it by tapping on remove account. If you truly would like to delete this account with all its data, just tap on remove account. And that's it. As you can see, it's no longer connected with this device. And now you can smoothly add another account. Just click on add account, pick Google, and provide your email or phone number, whatever is connected with your Google account. I will go with this email, then click on next. And now it's time to provide the password, so let me do it off the screen. So as only the password is entered, you will be redirected to this panel where you can read Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. And if you do agree with all the above, just tap on I agree. Tap on more, select accept, and that's it. As you can see, your Google account has been added. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.